Welcome to Early Learners, featuring the sound ZH makes, which is Z, Z, inside the dictionary.com sound box. All short vowels are American Heritage style. ZH, Z, Z, Z. How do you teach a child to read? Simple. Just show them how to blend. And keep showing them how to blend. And keep showing them how to blend until they start to show you how to blend. Other words, you give them the answer. You keep giving them the answer. You keep giving them the answer until they start to give you the answer. Simple. Simple. Let's ride. Leisure. L E L Z R J leisure. Leisure. E is silent. Okay, the lady come home from school. She's a school teacher. She come home from school and she want to sit back, relax, and rest on her leisure time. This is her leisure time. She sit back, watch Wheel of Fortune. Seizure. S E C Z R J Seizure. Seizure. E is silent. The soccer players has seized the soccer ball, so the seizure of the soccer ball. Seizure means to capture. Measure. M E me Z R J measure. Measure. This is a E is silent. This is a measuring ruler. A measuring for measuring stuff. Treasure. Ter E tre Z er zer treasure. Treasure. E is silent. Treasure of gold in the chest. Treasure. Pleasure. Pl. E. Ple. Z. Er. Zer. Pleasure. Pleasure. A pleasure cruise on a cruise boat. A pleasure cruise. E is silent. Closure. Cl. O. Clo. Z. Zer. Closure. Closure. Okay, the door is wide open. The door must have closure. Someone must go and close the door so the door can have closure. E is silent. Hoosier. Huh. Ooh. Who. Z. Zer. Who. Zer. Hoosier. Okay, this is a Hoosier dresser here. It's a Hoosier dresser. But I was most likely thinking about the Hoosier basketball team in Indiana. Hoosiers. Persia. P. Per. Z. Ja. Persia. Persia. Okay, this is a Persian cat from the country of Persia, or the area of Persia. A Persian cat. Asia. A. A. Z, A, Ja, A, Ja, Asia. Okay, this is the continent of Asia, with China, Russia, India is all on the Asian continent. Asia. Decision. D, E, D, S, E, C, Z, An, Shan, D, C, Jan. Decision. The little girl is trying to make a decision. She's trying to figure out if she going to paint the elephant brown or if she going to paint the elephant blue. She's looking like, I got to make a decision. Brown or blue? Brown or blue? She's making a decision on what color she's going to paint the elephant. Confusion. Ka, an, kan, fa, you, few, z, an, shan, kan, fusion, confusion. Okay, the little yellow man down there, he's confused. He don't know which way to go. Should I go left? Should I go right? Should I go left? Should I go right? He's confused. He don't know which way to go. Gotta ask for some help. Gotta ask for some help if you're confused with confusion. Good. Vision. V. E. V. Z. An. Jan. Vision. Vision. Okay. These are glasses to help you see better. To help your vision. To help you see better. Some people needs to wear glasses to help their vision. Erosion. E. E. O. Ro. Z. An. Jan. E. Ro. Jan. Erosion. Okay, you see how the water has washed the rocks down and worn the rocks down all the way down. Water comes through there, and what you see there is the results of erosion. When the water comes through and wash the sand and make holes through the rock, like they're right there. That's erosion. No child should ever be left behind. We need to listen to Mr. Rudolph Fletcher. He was so right. So right. Z, z, ZH sound. Z, z. This is the 43rd sound of the English language. Z, z.